Here's the code for my game. My game it's a simple game that I coded in processing, very heavily influenced by Flappy Bird, but I called it Flappy Fly because instead of a bird, I use a butterfly. So at the beginning of the code, I import a sound file, which is basically like a happy tune that's just in the background as you play. We have game states. There's two game states, the start and the actual game itself. We have variables for x, y, and vy for the bird, for the not the bird, the butterfly, and the velocity of it. And then we have a variable for score, high score, and here's me just loading or stating the image for the butterfly. And then we have two arrays for the pipes. There's only two, one at the top and one at the bottom, that are being drawn at all times. So in setup, I'm setting the size, loading the butterfly, resizing it so that's a bit smaller than its original form, and then setting the sound. And then in void draw, I draw game state 0. So game state 0 is basically the start screen where it says, welcome to Flappy Fly, press to start. And that's the image start is that image you'll see. And then here's the image for the butterfly and the image for the pipe. And then here it's drawing the pipes using the arrays px and py. And then in this if statement, it's basically stating the random positions of the pipes so that they don't always stay in the same two positions at all times. And then this is a score system. So if the pipe is past halfway of the width of the screen, then it means the butterfly is past it and you'll add 1 point to your score. And then here's the if statement that basically states if the butterfly flies too high or too low, basically off the boundaries of the screen, or if it hits the boundaries of the pipes, then you go back to game state 1, basically meaning you died and you have to start over. And then here's just the details of the start screen, like welcome Flappy Fly, press to start, all of that. And then to actually play the game, you press your mouse key. So this is just a function mouse press that does that. And then you can actually play the game now as it loads. Bit loud. Okay. So it says welcome. This is the start screen. Welcome to Flappy Fly. Press to start. High score 0. And that's your butterfly. And you'll see the pipes are being drawn at different positions. And I'm pressing my mouse to basically move the butterfly. There you go.